Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a very useful and powerful tool for e-content delivery, that is Open Broadcaster software offered by obsproject.com. This is an excellent user-friendly application which enables you to record, stream and broadcast your videos for content sharing. Now let me begin with a brief introduction of OBS Studio software. Coming to its salient features, OBS helps us to capture high-performance real-time videos with audio mixing feature. It enables to create various scenes using multiple sources. We can set up a number of scenes which allows easy transition. Several audio filters are available for noise suppression. We can easily configure the scenes using a streamlined setting panel. There's also an option for customizing the layout, and it also supports various streaming platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, etc. Now coming to the 7 major utilities provided by OBS Studio. The first one is face recording. This is the option if we only want to deliver a lecture with direct face-to-face contact without any image or PPT presentations. The second option enables to deliver a lecture or a discussion using images pertaining to the topic without your face. Third option helps to deliver a lecture combining both features, that is image recording and face recording simultaneously. Screen recording or display capturing option enables you to record from the computer screen or any screen output, and it is usually done to teach an application or to promote a product by demonstrating its features. I'm currently using this application for creating our video tutorials. The fifth functionality is a combination of two applications, that is, we can either record the screen and our face at the same time. Sixth, image slideshow. This is the option for recording our PPT presentations, but the only difference is the PPT slides will not be displayed as such here. It only accepts images of the slides. So first we need to convert the slides to images, and then we can proceed with OBS. The seventh utility helps us to make our presentation more lively by incorporating the face recording functionality with image slideshow. I will give a detailed explanation of each of these utilities in the next videos. Thank you.